Good afternoon, Kuya. Sa Juve Resto and Cafe po. Huh? Akala ko po, ako lang po yung nakabook sa taxi nyo ngayon. Ah, no. You don't have to find another taxi. We can share. Manang okay lang po. Okay lang po talaga. Mas okay nga po to para mas doble po yung kita nyo ngayong oras. Along the way din naman po siya, so okay lang po. Tara na po.
We're all set. Let's go.
Sige po. Thanks. Yeah, I dyed my hair red for a change. How long has it been? 5 years? Yeah, 5 years. It's fine. You were so drunk that time. I just came in to help. I just needed to bring you home bago ko pa makasira dun sa bar ng friend ko. Baka mapagbayad ka pa ng malaki. It's fine. We're good. Oo. Pauwi na. Ikaw din? Okay. Change of plans. Mas dumami kasi yung opportunity ko dito sa Pilipinas eh. So, I came back. Almost 3 years na rin. Ikaw, di ka umalis? I see. Baka hindi na. Marami pa akong kailangan asikasuhin tsaka balikan dito eh. Baliw. Ewan ko sa'yo. Pero, seriously, my life's getting back on track now. Kaya, wala na akong balak na guluhin yung momentum. Di naman. Nagsisipag lang. Ikaw, you look good then. So different from the last night I saw you. Sobrang wasted mo nun. Ngayon, mukha ka ng matino. Tapos, ayun o, naka-coat and tie ka pa. Bagay naman.
In 200 meters, your destination will be on the right.
Yeah. May mga revisions lang si client kaya marami akong dala ngayon. Yes. I'm an architect now. Ikaw? Engineer ka na? Wow. Congrats. I told you. Mapapasa mo yung boards. Kailangan mo lang talaga mag-focus. Maganda namang dinulot yung breakup natin eh. At least, ngayon, mas okay ka na. Mukhang you're back on track now. It doesn't matter. Importante, you're chasing your dreams. Successful ka na. Just like what you've promised to yourself years ago. Ano yun? Ang tagal na nun. Tsaka, maybe we should just accept the fact that we do outgrow our dreams sometimes. Either hindi nyo nakatadhana, or we just matured and life changes some things for us to finally be where we should be in the first place. Diba?
You've finally reached your destination.
Manong, eto na po yung bayad. Thank you. Oh, bakit ka sumunod? Anong sasabihin? Teka lang. Another chance? I'm sorry. Pero, hindi na pwede. No, it's not about you or the time para kilalanin kita ulit. 5 taon na yung nakalipas. We're both doing good with our careers, even without each other. Alam ko, hindi naging magaan yung breakup natin noon. Wala tayong closure except the night I took care of you when you were drunk. But, that's it. Tapos na yun. I know. At hindi ko i-deny yun. Hindi ko i-deny na sinabi kong mahal pa rin kita ng gabing yun. But, that was 5 years ago. Ano bang klaseng tanong yan? My love for you will always be here. Kasi, naging malaking part ka ng buhay ko. Pero, sorry. May iba na akong mahal ngayon. I know, this is harsh, but mas maigi na to para alam mo. Dun sa taon na nagkahiwalay tayo, I discovered a lot about myself. Mas minahal ko yung sarili ko. And hindi ko naman inaasahan na makikilala ko siya. We met abroad. But then, we decided to go back here in the Philippines. For good. Because we already had plans. And one of our plans is to get married. So yes, we're getting married soon. And I love him so much that I want to spend the rest of my life with him. I'm sorry. Actually, papunta ako sa kanya ngayon. That's his restaurant. Sorry. Dapat hindi ko na sinabi. You know what? You'll be fine without me. Baka masyado ka lang nabigla kasi nagkita tayo ulit kaya bumalik lahat ng nararamdaman mo. Pero, pag-isipan mo, hindi sa minamaliit ko yung nararamdaman mo o kung ano man, pero we just met after all these years. Baka masyado ka lang emotional ngayon. Pero trust me when I say na magiging okay ka. Nakaya mo nga ng 5 years na wala ako, diba? I'm sure you will. I'm just a part of your past. And who knows, diba? Maybe you'll meet someone else. It only hurts now, but it doesn't mean that it will hurt forever. Thank you. But please, let's move on. Okay? A hug? Baka magselos yung fiancé ko. But for all the heartaches we've caused each other, fine. One last hug. Oh, wait lang. He's calling. Yes, love. I'll be there in a minute. I just need to close the book I'm reading. Goodbye. Yes, love. Yeah. The chapter just ended. Okay. See you. I love you.